Alright, I'm working on my wife's 2008 ES350 Lexus. Problem is, the brakes are squeaking. New brakes a couple months ago, when the brake pads were brand new, it didn't squeak. Now got a couple miles on it and they're squeaking. Not worn out, nothing wrong, everything fine, rotors look good. What I do is condition the surface of the rotor. Maybe it's a little too shiny. It doesn't need replacing. It's got plenty of meat there. So I'm going to do the inside first. Take it off. Put it on backwards. Put at least 3 lug nuts on. No reason to jam these things on full power until they're all the way seated. This isn't a NASCAR race. You don't need strip threads. Now, got a little bit of a ridge, not much, just enough to catch it. Mostly rust. What I'll do, take a flap wheel on 90-degree grinder and make sure it's free spinning. I'm going to start. Get it spinning good. Start on the ridge. Spinning real good. And start moving it in. And get rid of the ridge, get rid of the glaze. Now do the other side. Same thing, at least 3 lug nuts. Well, while I'm at it, I'm gonna clean up this rust here. It doesn't hurt anything, but it's unsightly. Yeah, it don't take much to clean it. So I'm in here while I'm at it. Don't have to be perfect, because it's not hurting anything. Okay. I'll get 3 lug nuts. You put them all on if you want, there's no need. And started. And I may have trouble. It's not spinning that good. It's a new bearing. Put it in last year. Well, just have to help it along. Warming up a little bit now. Getting better. Now, why do I do this instead of just buying a new rotor? This is the original Lexus, and I don't care what anybody says, the original parts on any car last longer than any parts I've ever bought to replace them. And if I could keep the original one a little bit longer, I'm much better off. They're not warped, we got a squeak. And the other thing I might do is clean up brake pads, just like the don't want to take any meat off them, just want to take any glaze, anything that don't belong on the surface, take it off. That's it. It's just a Harbor Freight cheapo grinder. Don't need anything special. Flap wheel works better than the solid wheel for this. It's a 60 grit. And when you're finished, you got a real nice surface. Break in the pads again. And when I put it together, it will not squeak. Okay. Place a like on this video, please, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have some other things that are a little bit odd that has worked for me and hope work for somebody else. Okay, that's it.